friends, so today I am in Braamfontein, Johannesburg at a farm called Bell's Greens and Herbs. The owner of this farm is Belinda, who you will meet very shortly. I'm very excited because she's a woman in agriculture who is supporting the mission of bringing food to our tables in South Africa and the rest of Africa. She's running a hydroponics system in here, as you can see, and she's got a good thing going. I'm excited for you to meet her and we shall learn some stuff from her. Over here she's got some lettuce and it's growing very nicely. Ooh, yum yum yum. Just imagine that in a great salad. And underneath here she keeps some seedlings that she's growing, and she has great plans to also put in some plants underneath the system to grow something from the ground. Turning to this side, let me just show you what I see here. Also over here we've got kale, and I'm gonna move closer so that you can meet the lady herself. This is Queen Belinda.
Hey.
Tell us more about your farm. What inspired you to do this, and what can your clients look forward to?
What made me to start this is to feed the nation. I'm a survivor, and I saw how people helped me to survive, to stand on my feet. And I felt it's also good for me to grow food to help those who can't be able to buy vegetables, because junk food we get it anywhere,
Definitely.
but then vegetables people don't even think. So I said, let me just go and grow and feed the nation. Yeah,
And they're also good for our health.
yeah,
They really are.
Yeah.
So what products are you nurturing here? What can your customer look forward to buying when they come here?
I have lettuce,
Mm-hmm.
a variety of lettuce. I have kale, I have mint, we have celery, we have exotic plants from outside South Africa. We have chili, we have rosemary, we have different types of spinach, rainbow spinach, the
Lovely.
chard, we have the baby spinach. So yeah, basil, we have radish, we have spring onion.
No, but you've got a lot going.
Yes.
You really do. And I'm so excited for the future of your farm. You are definitely a woman in motion, a mover, a shaker, a go-getter. So, Queen Farmer Belinda,
Yes.
how can people support your farm and help you grow?
Okay. Just normal people, they can just come and dial that number to come and buy what they need. Everything here you can eat it every day. It doesn't have a special day that say, okay, I will only eat this kind of rich ones. No, we have variety of vegetables that you can eat from Monday to Monday. Yes, for the farmers, if you have a market of what you don't grow and you see that I have, please contact me.
Great,
Yeah.
that's lovely. So guys, if you'd like to support this farm, please do contact Belinda.